guys, it's Eileen with Loving Plants coming to you today to show you my Calathea Zebrina. This beautiful baby, I absolutely love her. She does have some crispy leaves and stuff, but that's just the nature of these Calatheas, and I think they've since been recategorized, but I still will call this the Calathea Zebrina. But anyway, why am I bringing her to you today? Not to talk about Calathea care, and that's something that we can talk about in the future, but yeah, this baby has mushrooms, and these mushrooms are growing. Let's see, I don't know if that's zooming in on that. Okay, hopefully that's clear. These mushrooms are growing in the soil, and if you can see, there are some big ones. These were like half the size yesterday. I'm going to put the name on the screen, what these are called. And actually, this name made me laugh because the last part of it, the Birnbaumi Birnbaum used to be my maiden name. So as soon as I saw that, I just thought that was great. So when you see these mushrooms in the soil of your plants, this is very alarming for sure. So you can see what it looks like zoomed back. It's just really kind of taking over the whole back end. Actually, there are so many little guys here. I don't know if you can see all those little ones in here. Oh my gosh. So there's a lot of mushrooms popping up. I'm going to leave them, because there is something in nature where mushrooms and plants have a symbiotic relationship, and they're beneficial for each other. Obviously, you don't want to eat these mushrooms. Just if you leave them, it kind of helps ultimately fertilize the plant, and really this has appeared because this plant loves her water. If I don't water this plant twice a week, I mean, like, even when I do it twice a week, sometimes right before the one watering, she will drop a leaf. In fact, like these leaves back in here might have been because I was a couple hours late. I mean, she's a diva. I was a couple hours late in watering her, and she will literally drop leaves. But as you can see with the new growth, she's really awesome. So I wanted to come to you today and say, like, look, if you guys have a mushroom problem, there are ways you can totally eliminate the soil and figure that out. I'm leaving it. I'm absolutely going to leave it because, again, this is not harming the plant, and it shows that it's a very healthy soil. So I'm all right with it. You know, it just kind of is what it is with this organic matter that we have. And let me know in the comments, guys, if you've ever had mushrooms that have shot out of your houseplant soil. This definitely surprised me. And just know, if it happens, obviously don't eat these mushrooms, but let them be. If you want to let them be, they don't hurt the plant at all. In fact, it's just showing that you have a very healthy ecosystem. So hopefully this was interesting for you today. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to catching you in the next video. Bye, guys.